Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to make a very powerful and effective hair treatment that you can use to treat bald spots, alopecia, hair thinning, as well as thickening your hair. So the first ingredient we will be needing for the recipe is cinnamon. So here I have some cinnamon sticks that I will be using. I bought this locally, but you can also use the other type of cinnamon. Also, you can use cinnamon powder. Just feel free to use what you have. Cinnamon helps to thicken your hair. It helps to stimulate blood circulation on the scalp, which helps to increase hair thickness and grow it stronger. We will also be needing green tea. So this is the type of green tea that I have. You can also use black tea, but I prefer using green tea because it is loaded with DHT blockers. DHT is the chemical that makes your hair shed. So if you use green tea to your hair care routine, will help to stop that chemical, and your hair will not be shedding unnecessarily. So including green tea to your hair care routine will help to stop unnecessary shedding. Also, it will help to treat scalp issues like dandruff, and your hair will grow stronger and you have a healthy scalp. Moving on to the next ingredient, we have cloves. This is another powerful ingredient that I have been using since the time I started hair growth journey, and this has really helped me to grow my hair. If you haven't used cloves, I don't know what you are waiting for. You're missing something very important that your hair and scalp need. So clove helps to stimulate blood circulation on your scalp. It helps to thicken hair, treat bald spot, and hair thinning. So if you have those issues, start including cloves to your hair care routine, and your hair will thank you later because it will grow thicker, stronger, and healthier. So right now I'm going to go ahead and transfer all my ingredients to a mason jar. So I'll be using this one to infuse my ingredients. And for the cinnamon and cloves, I will be using them in powder form. Just I just want to make sure that the treatment really infuses faster because for example, cinnamon is in stick form and it can't infuse faster unless I use boiling method. So that's why I decided to use them in powder form. So as you can see, I'm adding a small scoop, a tiny scoop, not even a teaspoon, just half teaspoon, because when they are in powder form they are really strong and potent. So just a small pinch will be enough. And now I'm adding water, and I'm using hot water. So whenever you're infusing herbs, you just need to make sure you use hot water if you want them to infuse faster, unless if you want to leave them for longer, like 2 days. So right now I'm gonna leave it for overnight. After overnight, this is how it's looking like. As you can see, the color really changed into brown, which I wanted, which means that all the nutrients has really infused in water. Now I'm gonna strain out the treatment. So I hope you guys are still watching this video up to this point, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, subscribe. Also like this video and share, and don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. So after straining out, I'll be transferring my treatment to an applicator bottle so I can go ahead and apply on my hair. I'll be showing you guys how I use it and ways that you can use this treatment. So keep watching and enjoy the video. So I will be applying this treatment as a leave-in treatment. My hair will be still twisted, so I won't be taking them down. I'll be applying this starting from my scalp, working towards the ends, making sure that each section is well hydrated and coated. So once I spray this, I take a little time to massage it in on my scalp. Also, I make sure to squeeze it in to my hair strands just to make sure that each section is well coated. So this treatment is really powerful and effective. If you use it well, at least 2 to 3 times a week on your scalp and hair, it will help to stimulate blood circulation, which will help to increase hair thickness. Also, it will help to nourish your scalp as well as helping to with your scalp health. Remember, this treatment has cinnamon, which helps to stimulate blood circulation and cleanse your scalp. So if you decide to use it as a leave-in, do not forget to massage it on your scalp so that it can have all the amazing benefits. So when you apply this, don't forget also to follow up with your moisturizing routine. Applying a leave-in conditioner, then following up with your hair butter or oil of your choice in order to seal in that moisture. So every time I use this as a or every time I use a leave-in treatment, I don't forget to follow with other moisturizing routine, applying my leave-in conditioner and then sealing in that moisture. And then my hair goes for many days without feeling dry. So if you decide to use this as a rinse off, you can just apply it after shampooing your hair during your wash days. If you are also not comfortable with this treatment because it is really strong because of cinnamon, it is if it gets into your eyes and if you're not careful, it can irritate your eyes. Also, you feel like sneezing because of cinnamon. So you can just use it as a rinse off, but for me, I don't mind. I use it as a leave-in, but I use it carefully. So I'll just apply my leave-in conditioner and then follow up with hair butter after this off the camera. So we are coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Also give this video a thumbs up and also share it to your loved ones and turn on the bell notification so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. See you in the next video.